Y'all, it's your boy SolarVolar here, back again with another video. Today we are going to be reacting to another video. It's kind of a different type of reaction. I've seen the original to this already. I didn't record a video for it. Yeah, I just didn't want to record a video for it because I kind of already seen it. But long story short, we're just going to jump right into this reaction video. Pretty much we're going to be reacting to Call Me By Your Name. But Lil Nas makes all the sounds with his mouth. That's what we're gonna be reacting to, MONTERO. Anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you definitely smash that like button, also subscribe if you're live. I gotta tell you guys that every single motherfucking time. And I thank you guys so much for nearly reaching 800 subscribers. I don't know if we've reached 800 subscribers by the time we upload this video, but if we do, I thank you guys so much. We are so close to reaching 1,000, and I will be doing a giveaway for 3 lucky people just to let you guys know, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, and the goal is to reach 1,000 by July, so keep sharing these videos with your friends, and then yeah, and that'll be that. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this reaction video by first putting on the headphones. And we're gonna jump right into this reaction in a 3, a 2, a 1, and bah!
Is it recording?
Alright.
I caught it bad just today. You hit me with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway.
Interesting. Interesting.
Romantic talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to fuck with me tonight. Looking at the table, all I see is bleeding white. Baby, you living the life, but nigga, you ain't living right. Cocaine and drinking with your friends. You live in a dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only you to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning.
Hold on now.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way like
This editing is insane. Them eyes, man. Them eyes, man. Hello.
A sign of the times every time that I speak. A dime and a 9, it was mine every week. What a time and incline, God was shining on me. Now I can't leave, and now I'm making hella Italy. Never want the niggas that's in my league. I wanna fuck the ones I envy.
I envy, yeah.
Cocaine and drinking with your friends. You live in a dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only you to sin.
Hey, hey, hey.
You know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning.
Let's go.
Call me on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way like. Call me by your name. Tell me you love me in private.
Yo, this is lit, man. This is lit. I like this. This is really lit. Like, wow. All with his mouth. Pause. Okay, man. I see you, man. I see you, man. Go on ahead, Lil Nas. Go on ahead, brother. I like that. I really like that. Drop the headphones. That's lit. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you definitely smash that like button and also subscribe if you're live. I gotta tell you guys that every single motherfucking time. And I thank you so much for supporting this channel for all these years. It's been like, it's just been a breeze, just giving out content for you guys to enjoy. And I so very much thank you guys for just sticking around for as long as you did, and I appreciate you guys. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today, and I will see y'all next time for whatever we got next time. Hope y'all take care, take it easy,